Honorable Chair, naomba Mheshimiwa Mwenyekiti, seneta wangu, rafiki yangu, Mheshimiwa, munipeleke pole pole. Sijazoea hii, lakini nitazoea hii mara yangu ya kwanza, lakini naomba Mungu atatupa nguvu. Honorable Chair, actually, Honorable Chair, I want to invite you to page 12. The County Assembly Honorable Chair, Honorable Chair, the role, I need to notify the committee, the role of impeached Speaker Enoch Okero in the dispute, of which he is my friend and my boss, of which I respect him too much. But prior to his impeachment, Honorable Chair, prior to his impeachment,
point of order, Chair.
Honorable Okero.
Chair, would I be right, my brother, therefore, when you say he's your boss, that you believe he's still in office?
Sorry?
Is that what you're saying?
What?
By you saying that he's your friend and he's your boss, legally you are actually saying...
Honorable Senator, once opposed, always opposed. Whether out of office or inside office. Yeah. I will address you as the Honorable Senator, whether you are in office or not. You remain a senator. Thank you. Thank you, Honorable Chair. Prior to his impeachment, he had been suspended on 8th October 2024. He did obtain a temporary order in Nyamira petition number E008 of 2024. Enoch Okero versus County Assembly of Nyamira and 7 others, stopping his suspension. However, he did not obtain an on-court order stopping his impeachment. That's why prayer number 4 was not granted. Actually, Honorable Chair, Annexure 37, Annexure 38 displays it well. Mr. Chair, Enoch Okero, the former Speaker of Nyamira County Assembly, was formally removed from the office by way of impeachment on 24th October 2024. His impeachment was published, filed Gazette Notice number 14050 of 2024. Following his impeachment, he ceased being the Speaker of Nyamira County Assembly and the Chair of the Nyamira County Assembly Service Board. Annexure 39 and 40. On 16